In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Grammarly account to Pro, previously known as Premium. This can be a great way to enhance your writing experience by unlocking a suite of advanced features, so let's walk through the process together and make it as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to log in to your Grammarly account. Now, if you haven't spent much time on the platform yet, you'll find the sign-in page straightforward. Use the email and password you registered with, and once you're logged in, you're on your way to upgrading your account. After you've successfully logged into your account, you should be directed to your account dashboard. This is essentially your home base where you can access all aspects of your Grammarly experience. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the subscription or upgrade plan option. This is typically located in the upper area of the page or along the left-hand sidebar. Click on this link, and it'll take you directly to the plans page. Here, you'll see the various paid options available for upgrading your account. The plan we're focusing on today is the Pro plan, which should be labeled prominently. Before making your selection, it's a good idea to take note of the features and benefits each plan tier offers. Next, decide on the billing cycle that suits you best. Grammarly typically gives you a choice between monthly, quarterly, or annual billing. Choosing a longer billing cycle often provides more savings in the long run, so if you use Grammarly often, you might want to consider that option. However, pick the one that best aligns with your budget and frequency of use. After choosing your plan, you'll need to enter your payment details. Grammarly accepts various payment methods such as credit and debit cards or PayPal, so you can choose whichever is most convenient for you. Make sure your payment information is entered accurately to avoid any issues with processing. Once you've entered your payment details, it's time to confirm your purchase. Carefully review the information on your screen to make sure everything is correct before proceeding. After confirming, the payment will be processed, and your account should be upgraded almost immediately to include all Pro features. From better grammar and spell check tools to style suggestions and advanced writing insights, you'll notice a substantial difference in your writing assistance. An additional note for those who have been using Grammarly's free version or the older premium version. It's possible that your account might automatically migrate to Pro as part of Grammarly's rebranding. However, it's always beneficial to double-check the features available in your account. That's it for today's video on how to upgrade your Grammarly account to Pro. Upgrading can greatly enhance your writing accuracy and style, so I hope you find these additional features valuable. Thank you for watching and happy writing.